My fellow Zimbabweans, my fellow veterans, comrades, I greet you all in the name of peace and the love of our motherland. Sana bina mashukubla toka pangwa ina retired Lieutenant General Winston Skokema Pranga, don't subscribe or like or turn the bell icon. Team Damzora and Assembly Chiti. I have been listening. The calls for action are coming from all corners of Zimbabwe, from the dusty roads of Binga to the high-density suburbs of Harare and Bulawayo, from the farms to the mines, from the young and the old. I hear the deep anger. I feel the frustration. You are tired. You have waited long enough, but hear me clearly. Vana veZimbabwe hatisi kuda kubika mbodza. There is no permanent situation under the sun. History has taught us that every storm eventually passes and every oppressive cartel eventually crumbles. To my fellow comrades in uniform, both serving and retired, I say, remain disciplined, stay calm, do not allow emotions to push us into actions that will bring more suffering to the very people we swore to protect. The Uganda cartel around mnangagwa overstayed its welcome. Their time is finishing. The wars are closing in. The people's patience is not weakness, it is wisdom. We have seen worse. We fought for this country. We know what a real sacrifice looks like. Let us not destroy what we built with our blood by rushing into chaos now. Stay united, stay peaceful, keep your eyes open and your voice loud but orderly. The change we all desire is coming. Mnangagwa and his group are on their way out sooner than many think. Forward ever, backward never. Thomas Kwamre toka Pangwaino and retired Lieutenant General Soskoke Mapranga. Now comment section videos of video any more to live on zero cheat page. So subscribe or like, but don't turn the bell icon.